Welcome dear listeners. In this video, we shall start a new chapter, Paying the Price. This chapter is an excerpt from a story written by Munshi Premchand. Excerpt means a small portion taken from a big story. Let's read this interesting story, Paying the Price. But before starting it, let's go through some warm-up exercise. Tick the situations that do not show good behavior. First, the very first is, there is a bully in class who troubles your classmates. He tries to bully you as well, but you quickly complain to the teacher. Bully is a person who threatens and disturbs others. So, you can now guess yourself, bullying is a good habit. Is it a good behavior or not? Of course not. It doesn't show a good behavior. So the statement is correct. We should complain against the bullies. There is a classmate whom you don't like, your best friend, and you often talk about him negatively to others. So dear listeners, you can guess whether this behavior is right or wrong if you talk something negative about others. Of course not. It shows a very bad behavior. We should have a positive temperament towards every other classmate. So both these behaviors were bad behaviors. Let's read the third point. There is an old lady who is standing on the pavement. Pavement means footpath, trying to cross a busy road. You see her on your way to school, but rush on as you might get late for school. It means you did not help that lady because you were running late to school and you left that old lady on the road itself. This too shows a bad behavior. You must help old people cross busy road. Fourth point. Your parents went out to the market for an hour, instructing you to practice sums in their absence. You practice them for 5 minutes and then decide to eat some snacks and watch cartoons on TV. When your parents come back home, you tell them that you followed their instructions because you did study for a short time. Well, this again shows a bit bad behavior because you did not follow the instructions to the end. You just filled the gap. So you must follow instructions, directions given by your parents, and you must pay attention to your studies rather than watching cartoons. So all these 4 behaviors were not appropriate. They weren't good behavior. Dear students, we must show good behavior while living our life. Now let's read what happens in the story, who shows a good behavior and who doesn't. Dear students, we will read the chapter together. You will read it at your home. I will read it over here. Please don't lose me while reading. Reading part. Read the story set in the India of long ago. It is about Allah Rakhi, whose job is to sweep the streets. Allah Rakhi is the name of a young lady. She also has to take care of an infant daughter. Infant means very small. While working hard for long hours, she thinks that she is treated unjustly because her pay is cut whenever she takes a short break to rest. Read on to find out if the story ends on a happy or a sad note. Let's begin, or we can say let's commence our reading. There was hardly a month when some part of Allah Rakhi's salary was not deducted as penalty. Deducted means to lessen, to make less. Penalty is a punishment for breaking any rule. Sometimes she received just 3 or 4 rupees in all. She put up with all this. Put up means to tolerate. She tolerated all this but didn't want to cross swords with Khairat Ali Khan. Cross swords means to fight, to enter into a quarrel. Khairat Ali Khan, the inspector of sanitation, the inspector of cleanliness. Allah Rakhi was the name of her sweepress. She was a young girl. She had a small daughter, a very small infant daughter. She was a very good lady. She was very hardworking. But as and when she got her salary, she became very tensed because for one reason or the other, her salary was deducted as a penalty, as a punishment. Sometimes she used to get only 3 or 4 rupees, just half of her salary. 4 rupees was a large amount a long back. Dear students, this story took place a long time back. It is not a recent story, 100 years back. So at that time, 4 rupees salary was a big amount for sweepers. Although this deduction was not acceptable to Allah Rakhi, but what could she have done? Nothing. She did not want to quarrel with the Khairat Ali Khan, who was the inspector of sanitation. He used to check whether the spot, whether the place had been sanitized, had been cleaned or not. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.